Hi boys and girls. Today in your math packet you have a page that looks like this that says compare towers. We are not going to do this page. I don't think that we have what we need for you guys to do that at home. So that page that looks like this, you do not have to do. Now, we are going to do the page that looks like this. Basically, we've been talking a lot about characteristics and sorting objects into groups based on those characteristics. So yesterday, you looked at buttons and how they could be put into groups. You also looked at animals and you decided how you would group those animals. Today, we're going to be looking at a paper that has a scene from the ocean. And in this picture, you see groups of certain kinds of animals. So you're going to be looking at these animals and counting to see how many are in each group. There's seahorses, fish, jellyfish, and crabs. So I need to look at the seahorses for the first one. I'm going to look at the picture and I'm going to count all of the seahorses. I see 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to color one square for each seahorse. I should have colored 3 squares, right? And I write the number 3. There are 3 seahorses. Then you're going to count to see how many fish there are. You'll notice that the fish are not all of them the same. They're the same kind of fish, but some are bigger and some are smaller, but you still count all of them. They are in a group together because they are this kind of fish. Their size does not matter in the group because we're just looking for that kind of fish. Then you're going to count how many jellyfish and then how many crabs. And you're going to fill in a square for each animal that you count in that group. What we're doing is we're looking at data. Imagine that you are a scientist and you are out studying in the rainforest and you're trying to see how many monkeys there are, how many crocodiles there are, and how many snakes there are. Well, you would count to see. Then you might ask yourself, are there more monkeys than crocodiles? Or are there more crocodiles than monkeys? When you go out and you kind of look to see what you can find, you're collecting data. All scientists do that. And so you're collecting data in this scene on how many animals there are in this part of the ocean. And that data that you collect, you can study to see, is there more of something there or less of something there? Are there any animals that are equal in amounts? And then as a scientist, you might ask yourself questions about that. Why is that so? Do we have fewer jellyfish because jellyfish don't have enough food to live for more of them to live there, or maybe there aren't enough places for them to make their home? It's data, and data is just kind of what we use in this world to learn about things. And so today you're just collecting data and you're stating or telling about your data. So I saw 3 seahorses. I counted 3. And that's what today is. We're just collecting some data. You also have a page of addition and subtraction practice to do today. All right. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.